The Beast is a 3D printer with a massive build volume and is capable of printing 4 identical objects at the same time, making it the perfect machine for anyone looking to pump out truly gigantic prints or speed up production of repetitively printed parts.
Hi, I'm Josh.
And I'm Dan.
We're from Cultivate 3D, and this is the Beast.
Combining the best in print quality with a huge build volume. With the Beast's precise motion system, you will get an extremely fine print resolution at an enormous scale. We've put a ton of effort into making all core structural components as precise as possible with the best quality laser cut components. One of our design considerations was to make the Beast flexible. We have a ton of great add-ons for the Beast which are currently in development, which will transform its functionality, and rest assured, Kickstarter investors will be rewarded with generous discounts when they're released in the coming months. So you'll probably notice the Beast isn't covered with a fancy case design. We don't want the Beast to be a design statement, we want the Beast to be the best at what it does without costing a fortune. We spend our time and money making your investment a fast, precise production printer. We're really excited about the possibilities the Beast will create for so many different individuals and businesses. From artists and industrial designers to eBayers replicating their latest idea in massive scale, Cultivate 3D and the Beast 3D printer will help you get there fast. The Beast is a finished product, it's not a prototype or idea. Production has already begun, so come on investors, order yours today and be part of something bigger.
Hi, we're the team behind Tico. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is Tico, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Tico sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. Tico has an internal filament tray, enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device. With Tico, we've not only set a new standard for design, but for price too. Tico is only $179. Yup, $179. That's the beauty of Unibody design. It's better and it costs less to manufacture. We could set the price higher, but we want everyone to have a Tico. This is where we need your help. We use 3D printing to create Tico. Imagine all the ideas that could become realities. Imagine what you could build. Back us today, and let's find out.
Hi Kickstarters, my name is Lutz. I'm glad to introduce you the Overlord 3D printer. Overlord is a desktop 3D printer for everyone. It's a smart, elegant and user-friendly printer that brings new experiences. We started making 3D printers since 2011. After lots of research, our first printer was successful. But we wanted to make it even better. We wanted to make an affordable 3D printer that runs faster, builds taller and fits nicely everywhere.
We work with world-class industrial design firm MoMA to create a unique and stylish outlook for Overlord. You can even choose from our color combo to fit it better with your home, classroom, and studio.
We also partnered with the F-Robot, an open-source hardware provider, to customize the high-quality electronic parts and motors.
All these efforts were made only to ensure the high performance and precision to make Overlord more than just a bunch of metal and plastic parts.
Besides precise engineering and beautiful display, Overlord is also smart. You don't have to be an expert in 3D printing, and neither will you struggle during situations like feeding, rejecting, or leveling. We added power off protection and break resume to Overlord, so you will no longer be troubled with blackouts or careless operations. Now you can focus on perfecting your own design.
Hi there, we are the Most Fun team. After 16 months of development, we have reached a point where we are proud to present to you Most Fun Pro, our FDM's desktop 3D printer. The Most Fun Pro has a full metal body, ensuring its strength and structural stability is guaranteed. In addition, because it is made from aluminum, the 3D printer weighs only 8 pounds. The extruder is the part we have spent the most amount of time on during the development process. Not only does it print with high precision, it can also print 5 cm bridges. Another feature we have included with the extruder is auto bed leveling. We put a pressure sensor on the side of the nozzle. By gently touching the tray in a corner, the 3D printer can compensate for the slant angle of the tray. Apart from standard PLA, we have also refined the extruder to be compatible with other materials like TPU, which is a flexible material, and even wax, with which you can print your own candle. We have not stopped there. We have also designed the extruder to be easily removable so that it is easy to maintain. Another important aspect of the Most Fun Pro's 3D printer is that we are using the Intel Edison module. Therefore, there is no need for additional driver or software installations. You could either connect the printer peer-to-peer directly with your device, or you could also share this printer in your local network. With its wireless accessibility, you can access the control panel by scanning the QR code. With this, you can choose and print the model directly from your mobile devices. When the printing is complete, the printer will automatically send an email to you. We have also added an auto-resuming function to secure your work in case the power is cut off unexpectedly. We have completed over 80% of our product and are currently undergoing final revisions to enhance the overall experience. We have already gathered important feedback from over 400 different users during the development stages. Today marks the start of our Kickstarter campaign, and we deeply appreciate that you are embarking on this exciting journey with us.
Boxy is a desktop makerspace, bringing the power of a 1 1/4 horsepower CNC mill, a laser cutter, and a 3D printer as an all-in-one machine. Each tool exists as a rapid change attachment, providing the user the ability to switch from mill to laser to 3D printer in just moments. Our vision is to break the barriers for makers by equipping them with the creative power of a personal machine shop that is small, affordable, and easy to use. While immersed in the thriving startup ecosystem of Pittsburgh, my brother and I discovered the need for Boxy. Here we joined a rich maker scene and gained access to the specialized manufacturing tools accessible through Fab Labs and makerspaces like TechShop. We were inspired by the powerful new tools and access to manufacturing level machines offered by makerspaces. And we wanted more. So we focused our attention on creating a series of high-quality desktop tools that embody the precision and the features that were once only accessible to large companies, with the purpose of making those machines available at the price makers, inventors, students, and designers can afford. And thus, Boxee was born. Boxee has the precision and reliability of a professional machine. With an industry-leading movement resolution of 4 microns, we sourced industrial ball screws, manufactured all aluminum components, and added stainless steel hardware, and then assembled them into an all-aluminum anodized body, creating the sturdiest, most accurate machine on the market, and one accessible to the average maker. Boxee can shape most materials you can source, from plastics to hardwoods to metals. Boxee is a true personal makerspace, allowing creators to move rapidly through design iterations and empowering small businesses to produce individualized products for customers. Boxee gives fabricators the ability to fuse methods, switching rapidly from 3D printing to CNC milling to laser cutting the very same component. To accomplish this, we designed Boxee to integrate all 3 tools into one clean, easy-to-use interface. Boxee is precise, durable, and reliable, and so easy to use that fresh makers can create complex components. With Boxee, we've decoupled professional, quality creation from location and decentralized the power of precision manufacturing. Boxee is a mobile machine shop, a desktop makerspace.
With your help, we can start manufacturing Boxee and give everyone access to professional level maker tools.
Kickstart Boxee so we can make your space a makerspace. Now's the time to think inside the box.